Complete openness, zangtal in Tibetan, means not attached to anything, not fixating on anything. This is precisely the opposite of an ordinary person's frame of mind, clinging to and fixating on everything. The openness of rigpa, the openness of a yogi, does not fixate on anything. It does not hold on to anything. We need to grow used to this type of openness. Let your 5 senses be wide open, wide awake, and yet thought-free. Remain in that state, utterly open. Nondual awareness is primordially open, free. This openness means naturally free. However, this openness becomes bound by the rope of conceptual mind when a sentient being is fettered by conceptual thoughts in a body of karmic ripening. It seemingly loses its natural freedom. The awakened state of rigpa is wide open,